Hi, I like to show my kitty to the world, 'cause she is so cute. And her name is Tiny Elvis, but we call her Tiny. I have a mask on my face, and my kitty is black and white. It's like a cow. I used to be obsessed with cows when I was little. I love my kitty. I love my kitty. I hope you love her. Hi, Tiny. How are you? Aren't you cute? Say, yes, I am. Hmm? What was that? What? Huh? You don't know? You're hot? Say what? What? Rare. Oh, really? What? Oh. Oh, no? What? You like penguins? No. Why not? Oh, okay.
Are you talking to Hip Hip?
Oh, Diddy.